Australian dollar looking for support. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's leading retail brokerage firm, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Australian dollar has fallen pretty significantly over the last couple of days, and Tuesday started out the same, but we are starting to see a little bit of a pushback. That's not a huge surprise, after all. Markets don't go in one direction forever, so at this point in time, you would expect at least a bounce. The fact that the market is hovering around the 50-day EMA also comes into the picture, and furthermore, I believe that there is a lot of support underneath there, the 200-day EMA, which happens to be right at the 0.6650 level, an area that has been important multiple times in the past anyways. So with that being said, I think you've got a market that is looking very much like a market that is trying to continue the overall trend. If we do rally from here, the 0.69 level above would be a target. If we break down, it's really not until we break down below the 0.6650 level that I'd be somewhat concerned. And even then, I think it just would show a return to the overall consolidation. It could go, I suppose, as low as 0.63, but that would obviously be a major risk-off type of move. As things stand right now, I do think we are trying to turn things around. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out. We're a little bit in no man's land right now. We are between two levels of both support and resistance, so I'm not real keen to be a buyer here. But if you watch the US dollar around the Forex world, if it starts to shrink, it should do fairly well here to the upside. But if the US dollar starts to strengthen, then we probably have more downside ahead of us. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.